Hi, welcome back to my video. I am Nikhil. The last video everybody supported me a lot. That's why I can do this video. The last video I told you what is crack platform mobile application. In this video we are going to set up our mission. Before going to the video, I want to tell you why I choose MAUI application. I want to tell about my football coach. I was going for a football coach and our coach used to track us our performance by his Android mobile application, and everybody was asking when he will release the iOS mobile application. He was thinking because he and his team only know Android mobile application, and he was thinking and he took some Swift programmers from outside and he learned iOS and Android. How he released the iOS and Android mobile application. If in the future if he gets some errors or if he want to change something, he need to developers, to languages, to source codes and a lot of time. That's why I recommended him for MAUI application. For MAUI, he should only use one developing team, one source code, one language, and a little bit of time. That's why even I chose MAUI. Now let's go to it, going to set up in our machine. Now we understood why I recommended you MAUI. Now let's see how to set up in our machine. First let's see how to set up in our machine in Windows. Now go to the Visual Studio website and there is 3 versions: Community, Professional and Enterprise. For Professional and Enterprise you should pay, and for Community it's free like our beginners. Choose Community and install Visual Studio. After installing Visual Studio, you choose MAUI template. Now open your Visual Studio and click MAUI template. After clicking it, it will create your basic programming mobile application. Now we are done creating Visual Studio in our Windows machine. Now we are going to see how to install Visual Studio in our Mac machine. In the Mac, there is Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. The Microsoft is going to sunset Visual Studio in the August month. That's why I recommended you all to use Visual Studio Code in Mac and go to the Google and click Visual Studio Code website and install Visual Studio Code. Now we are done installing Visual Studio Code in our Mac machine. We don't need to use both of them like Mac and Windows. You need only one computer. Like if you have Mac, you can use Mac. If you have Windows, you can use Windows. If you have both, you can use any one. Now we are done setting our machine so fast. Who not still didn't subscribe, please subscribe this video. In the next video I'm going to tell you about how to create a basic program, and the next video will be very interesting. Please don't miss the next video. Bye.